Ever dreamt of studying at one of the world's most prestigious universities, a place where groundbreaking discoveries happen every day? I'm talking about the University of Cambridge, and specifically, a place within it that fosters future STEM leaders, the Newton Center. But getting in isn't easy. The Newton Selection Day is a rigorous process designed to identify the brightest minds. So, the burning question is, how do you prepare for it? That's exactly what we're diving into today. This video is your ultimate guide to conquering the Newton Selection Day. We'll break down the entire process, from understanding the assessment format to mastering the interview and even offering tips on what to expect on the day itself. If you're serious about securing your spot at the Newton Center, you've come to the right place. First things first, let's talk about what the Newton Selection Day actually entails. It's not just a simple interview. It's a comprehensive evaluation designed to assess your academic potential, your problem-solving skills, your passion for STEM, and your overall fit for the program. Think of it as a series of challenges designed to push you to your limits and showcase your abilities. The day typically involves a combination of written assessments, practical tasks, and interviews. The specific format can vary, so it's crucial to check the information provided by the Newton Center. However, some common elements often include problem-solving exercises where you'll be presented with complex scenarios and asked to devise solutions. These aren't just about getting the right answer, they're about demonstrating your thought process, your ability to think critically, and your approach to tackling unfamiliar problems. Another key component is the interview. This is your chance to shine and show the assessors who you are beyond your academic achievements. They'll be looking for your genuine passion for STEM, your intellectual curiosity, and your motivation to learn and grow. They might ask you about your academic interests, your research experience, if any, your career aspirations, and even your personal experiences that have shaped your interest in STEM. So, how do you prepare for these challenges? Let's start with the written assessments and practical tasks. The key here is practice, practice, practice. Look for past papers or sample questions. Familiarize yourself with the types of problems you might encounter and try to solve them under timed conditions. This will help you get comfortable with the format and identify any areas where you need to improve. Don't just focus on getting the right answer. Pay attention to your problem-solving process. Try to articulate your thinking clearly and logically. Even if you don't arrive at the correct solution, demonstrating a clear and structured approach can earn you valuable points. Remember, the assessors are looking for potential, not perfection. Now, let's move on to the interview. This is where you need to showcase your personality and your passion. Start by reflecting on your experiences in STEM. What sparked your interest in the field? What are you most curious about? What are your long-term goals? Think about specific examples that illustrate your passion and your skills. Don't just memorize the list of accomplishments. Focus on telling a story. Share your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs. Be genuine, be enthusiastic, and let your personality shine through. The assessors want to get to know you as a person, not just as a student. One of the most common interview questions is why Newton? This is your opportunity to explain why you're specifically interested in the Newton Center and what you hope to gain from the program. Do your research. Learn about the faculty, the research opportunities, and the unique aspects of the program that resonate with you. Be specific and demonstrate your genuine interest. Another important tip for the interview is to be prepared to discuss your academic interests in depth. Be ready to talk about specific topics within STEM that you're passionate about. Be prepared to discuss your understanding of these topics and your thoughts on current research or developments in the field. This demonstrates your intellectual curiosity and your commitment to learning. Beyond the academic preparation, there are also practical things you can do to prepare for the Newton Selection Day. Make sure you get a good night's sleep before the day. Eat a healthy breakfast. Dress professionally and comfortably. Arrive on time and be prepared for a long day. Most importantly, be yourself. The assessors are looking for authentic individuals who are genuinely passionate about STEM. Don't try to be someone you're not. Let your personality shine through and show them what makes you unique. The Newton selection day can be daunting, but with the right preparation, you can significantly increase your chances of success. Remember to focus on both your academic skills and your personal qualities. Practice your problem-solving abilities, prepare for the interview by reflecting on your experiences and your passions, and most importantly, be yourself. Remember, the Newton Center is looking for individuals who have the potential to become future leaders in STEM. They're looking for individuals who are not only intelligent but also curious, passionate, and driven. If you possess these qualities, and you're willing to put in the hard work, you have a great chance of succeeding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.